I need to borrow $80,000. Mom! Dad! Open the door! Mom! Dad! Open the door!
Why is it so noisy?
Mom! Dad!
Did you
Open the door!
hear that?
Mom! Dad!
Yeah, I think so.
Is someone at the door?
Mom! Dad! Open the door!
That sounded like our son.
Mom! Dad!
Did he say mom?
Hey, son, it's pretty late. What happened?
Are you okay? I was starting to worry.
Yeah, I'm okay. I need your help. Right now. Sit down first. Just slow down. And talk to us. What's going on?
Dad, I don't have time to sit. Futures are already up. Everything's lining up perfectly. This is going to take off the moment the market opens.
I don't understand. What do you need?
I need to borrow $80,000. I want to invest in the stock market.
80,000? That's a lot, son.
That's a lot of money. Why that much? Why now?
No. Just listen. I've been trading for a month now, and I'm on a winning streak. Look at this. This is all profit. I made this in just a few weeks. This is a good opportunity. I can't miss it.
Okay, but markets go up and down. That doesn't mean it's always going to go up.
No, Dad. This is different. I can feel it. This is my chance. My big chance. If this trade works, I could make years of income in one night.
But things that come too fast, they're not always good. We've seen this before. People lose everything.
No, Mom. You don't get it. I know what I'm doing. I'm not going to lose. Everyone thinks that right before they lose, and when it turns fast. Investing isn't a game, son. Dad, please. This isn't gambling. I've studied this. I know the patterns. I didn't go to anyone else. I came to you because I trust you. You're the only ones I have right now.
We trust you, but we're worried about you.
This is our savings. It took us years to build this. We can't decide this in a minute.
I don't have a minute. If I wait, I'll miss the opportunity. If you don't help me, I'll have to find the money somewhere else, and it'll be even riskier. Do you really want me getting into more trouble?
Oh, honey, this is all too fast. I can't even think right now.
Please just give us a little time. Let us think. Just tonight.
This isn't just money. This is my one shot. If I miss this, I might not get another chance. Okay, I'll be back early tomorrow morning. Please, think about it tonight. This could change my life. I really need this. Good night, Mom, Dad.
What do you think? Should we really use our savings to help him? What if something goes wrong?
This is really hard. Everything's happening too fast. I don't know. I've got a bad feeling about this. I'm not sure what to do right now. What do we choose? Our child or the money?
Mom, Dad, I will win.